So I received my Cowin E8 noise canceling headphones. I had the E7s, and I have to say, after utilizing these for about a week, I'm pretty sold. Definitely a major upgrade. I do have to give a little bit of a heads up that I travel quite a bit with my job, so that my primary usage will obviously be utilizing on an airplane. So the noise canceling is definitely something I utilize. I'm not using these as a music producer, a DJ, exercising. So that's my primary usage, but I'm sold. So I guess let's get into the details. First off, the packaging is larger than your E7s come in, and the main reason is because of the travel case it comes with. One of my biggest complaints with the E7s is the case they provided didn't really give that protection that I need from being on the road. When I would toss them in my backpack and bring them out, I was always worried if I would damage them. This won't be the case with this new upgraded travel case that comes with it. Also, you can tell the other accessories that come with it are just higher quality than the E7. So across the board, the entire, from the packaging, the headphones themselves, all the accessories, just a way bigger upgrade. The headphones themselves are much larger, but so far I haven't had any issues with connecting to quickly to Bluetooth. Sometimes I did with my E7s. Also, I like to take phone calls and some Google Hangouts, so the calls have been clear on both ends. From the sound perspective, I can't tell the difference between these or a more expensive brand like Bose or Beats. In the end, for the price or quality, I 100% recommend checking out these Cowin E8s. If you're somebody who's been on the Bose side or the Beats side and looking to try a new product, Cowin does some great things. And if you're a previous Cowin owner, definitely take a look into upgrading these to the E8s. For the price and the product, you're getting a steal here.